Hello everyone, this is Helen, the youngest sister from 3 Years Apart, and today I'm giving you a first impressions haul of PearTeaPaperie. So the first item is actually a t-shirt, and I'm just awkwardly modeling it in a few ways I might style it in her whale, and it's in her whale design. So onto my very long haul. I got 3 vellums in the pattern Botanical, Airplane Pen Drawing, and Daffodils. I think they're very well done. It's like in a sketch style, watercolor sketch style. It's adorable. Next, I did order 3 oops bags, and I'm not quite sure which ones were oops and which ones were just freebies, but I think most of them were part of the oops bags. The fact that I couldn't tell that which ones were oops, I think would indicate the great quality that she has. And that's why I do order oops bags, to see what the shop would consider consider an oops on the quality, if that makes sense. So yeah, I don't believe I ordered any of those, but I do love them. I think they're very great quality. So this, as you can tell, is a little oops, and I think this is a freebie. I'm not sure. Now these, I did order the husky stickers, adorable, the penguin stickers. I just got a lot of animals because it's super cute. I love the dogs too. So the penguins are actually going to go to Kim, and the turtles represent Amy for me. Oh, here's the whale design that actually is on the t-shirt. Now she does sell all those stationery items other than the vellum that she sells, or he or she. I think it's a team, like there's 2 people who run the shop. So I'm not quite sure how that is run. But now I'm going to move on to the die cut stickers. So this set is called the Hip Girls 2. And with her stickers, you can actually choose skin tones and even which type of sticker you want. Like it could either be in like this, sticker die cuts, or mini die cuts, or even sticker sheets. So it's really versatile. These are the mini sleeveless pattern girls. Most of them I chose no skin tone or black and white skin tone because I really liked the pop of the colors that she chose for the clothing and the fashion aspects. So these are the mini 90s hip girls. And you can get, like, depending on what you get a lot. You even get some doubles, which I really appreciate. I'm less likely to hoard them before using them that way. Now these are this Girls Series 1. The packaging doesn't say what each design is, which I kind of wish it did, because I had to like double check online of what each were called when I was checking my invoice, which is a good thing. So these are the winter dollies. Now I'm going to show you the summer girls. Now this is a different style from the rest of her fashion girls. It's like more loose sketch. Okay, so she also does like Fashion Week style, or Fashion Week models, which is the 2017 SS Dior style. I'm not all too familiar with fashion, like high fashion and Fashion Week, but I do appreciate what she has done with it. These are the summer girls. I love the retro style, and the simple classic black and white too. She also does give you like 2 sizes of each sometimes, which is really cool. Now this is called the Winter Life, and it's filled with small little goodies like gloves and socks and books, and I think it's really adorable. I should say though, after I checked, because this was like unboxing style, right? I checked the invoice afterwards, and I was missing about like 4 or 5 things, and I emailed them after. really quick. These are called the Young Girls. It's in her other doodle style, which I think still works really, really well. These are called the Hype Girls. And this is another fashion one. It's the 2017 Dolce & Gabbana Set 2. It's really, really detailed, and I really, really, really like it, obviously. Now these are the Schoolgirls Fashion 2. I should say I wasn't paid or sponsored to do this video. She's having a really cool, really good 50% off store-wide sale for a few days, and I just caved and decided to get a bunch of things. So I paid for this all by myself, and I really appreciate her efforts into this. So this is called the Fashion Girls Set A for 2016. I get a lot in this collection here. Next is the Schoolgirls Set, just Schoolgirl Set. I believe the next one is another fashion one, so it's the 2017 Dolce & Gabbana Set 1, so I got both Set 1 and 2, and they're both very detailed. This is a different fashion one, so it's the 2018 Celine Springwear. This is another big collection, and it's the Fashion Girls Set B for 2016. So going back to what I was saying earlier about not receiving all of my items, I emailed them about it immediately, and they responded within 2 hours of my email, which is great customer service, and they just reshipped those missing items to me free of cost, which is super, super great. I'm super grateful for that. Oh, these are called the Sweet Girls. I didn't mind that I was missing some, because I honestly, like, it was a big order, you guys. I made a really big order. It was bad and good at the same time. These are really cute. These are called the Bay Girls. Like the B-A-E Bay Girls. I just love that it's on their sweaters and stuff. I kind of want those sweaters in real life, to be honest. And this is called the Summer Fashion, or 2017 Summer Fashion. It's like a different style from the rest of her fashion ones too. It's more loose, I guess, a loose sketch. Ooh, these ones are really, really pretty. These are called My Little Fairy Girl. I'm actually giving these away to someone who loves the fantasy style. And these are called Hip Girls. I just love how she draws the curls. It looks amazing. Now it's the Summer Dolly Girls. Yes, it's a lot. I bought a lot, you guys. But I plan to use them all, I swear. Someday. And I believe the next one is the last one of the sticker die cuts. It's called the Summer Days Girls. This is probably one of my favorite collections. I love the giant sunflower and the camera and everything. So this is my missing items, which they reshipped to me, and it shipped very fast, I must say. It probably took like 4 business days at most. So this is actually a freebie. I did not order this, the dog and the gummy bears. The gummy bears, there's like 3 colors on each bear to give it so much dimension. And this is just hilarious. Just candies, sticker candies everywhere. It's adorable. But yeah, I did not order these last 3 items. It was sent to me as freebies and I really appreciate it. It's really nice of them. Now moving on to what I did order. This is cute. This is the school sticker sheet too. I also really like this sheet too. So this is a penguin journal. So it's a dot grid journal. I don't know if you can see the dots, but the dots, the spaces between each dot is about, I measured it's about 4 millimeters. It's pretty tiny. So that's about it for my haul from PearTeaPaperie. I really like your style, great customer service. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to those of you who participated in the IG story poll on our Instagram 3 years apart. If you liked it, subscribe if you want to, and have a very good day. Bye!